Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, backup camera, navigation system, stability control, traction control, cruise control, premium sound system, universal garage door opener, trip computer, trip odometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.